Right here, there's a little cover that will hide 2 mounting screws. So with a pick or whatever you might have, go ahead and pop this up. Just like that. T20 screws, remove both. Right here by the door handle, you'll see another little cap. Pop this out as well. And another T20 bolt or screw. Remove this one as well. Set that aside. At the top right here, there's this corner piece that you can just remove. Now the plastic trim tool, I'm gonna sneak the tool behind here and just pop the clips off of the door panel. Those are pretty stiff. There we go. All right, now you can lift this up, take it off the door. You'll see that the door handle is connected with a cable here. Unhook the cable, slide it through. And then we have some wiring to disconnect here. Disconnect there are 3 connectors in total. Okay, door panel's free. So you can probably do it a different way, but what I'm going to do to access this outer door handle is remove the window, the glass itself, because it's actually the 3 bolts for the handle are right back here and the window is covering it. So you can peel this off. You'll have an access hole right here and this one right here through which we can unhook the window from the regulator, pull the glass out, then we have a wide open area in here to have access to the 3 bolts that hold the handle on. So having said that, I'm going to put my door panel and the switches back on and bring the window down until I can see the 2 mounting points here and here. Okay. So it's going to be the same on both sides, both mounting points. What I want to do is get a screwdriver in here, press on this tab inward, and at the same time lift up on the window, and that's hopefully going to unlock this and make the window able to slide up. Okay, just like that. Pull up on the window. That just unlocked it. Let's do the same to the other side. There we go. Basically, if you keep pushing, the screwdriver will slide up and over that little notch and it will pop the window up. Now I'm going to carefully take the glass, twist it sideways like this, pull it straight up, and it will come out of the door. Put it in a very safe place, make sure it doesn't break. Now if you look through this opening right here, you'll see that bolt right there. We'll have to remove that. But then if you look to the right, or actually you can see it through right here, sometimes there's a piece of tape over this hole, sometimes there isn't. 2 mounting bolts right there, which we can get directly through this hole, and we'll have to remove both of those as well. It's going to be impossible for me to show you while I'm doing this. I probably can't even see it while I'm doing this. So I'm just going to sneak in an 8mm socket here with an extension on it and just unbolt these 2. Okay, that one's out. I'm going to try and gently remove this. With a magnet, I'm going to fish this bolt out that I just removed, or unthreaded. There it is. We'll have to get the other one out as well. Okay, there's the other screw. Really hard to get to, but I got it. Attached to the outer door handle, you'll see 2 rods from up top here. You don't have to get it from up top, obviously, but you have to pop off these 2 rods. There's one. The other one you can see right there. There we go. Now you can take the door handle, pull this part straight out, turn it and twist it. Twist it some more. The lock cylinder fell out. That's good. Here's your old door handle. take the new door handle, slide it in on the front side first. And before this part goes through, don't forget to put the lock cylinder in. And wiggle this part of the handle in. There we go. Press it up against the door. Make sure it fits nicely, which it does. Let's go on the back side and bolt it in. I'm going to put this rod in through first. Now it's out of my way, so I can put the front bolt in. I was able to get you somewhat of a view here of this bolt. I was able to get you a better look of this upper hole next to the lock. All right, make sure that's nice and snug. And there's a lower hole right there. There we go, that's nice and snug. Let's get this rod mounted in here into the lock mechanism as well. Go ahead and lock this on. Get the window back in. Slide it down at an angle first, then straighten it out. It should fall right in. Make sure it's lined up, which it is. Give it a good bonk, and it should lock in both sides. Go ahead and close this up. Now you want to take your door panel. I'm going to put the cable through first. Attach this to the door handle. And then pull it through the slot here. Just like that. Don't forget about this little lock that holds it together. Let's get the window switch connectors back in. As well as the mirror switch. Go ahead and thread this back on. Should be good right there. Take the door panel, line it up with the lock indicator here. Once all the push clips are lined up, press it on. There was a screw in here. Close up the little door. 2 screws down here. Close up this door and put this back.